Labda tu utujuze unaitwa nani, unatoka wapi, unafanya shirika gani?
Kwa majina naitwa Daniel Kamau, co-founder wa Ace Mobility, where we provide transport solutions to people with reduced mobilities. So nikisema people with reduced mobilities, I mean people with disabilities, the elderly, the sick, people who are going for hospital appointments, pregnant women, school-going children, ideally yule ambaye anahitaji support kidogo akitravel. And so what we are trying to solve is that the transport system, the buses, the matatus, and a number of even ride-hailing vehicles, they do not have the different features that are needed to allow these people to commute with dignity and independence. For wheelchair users, for example, what happens is wanainuliwa kutoka kwa ile wheelchair yao wanaekwa ama wanarushwa kwa gari. And so that's what we are trying to reduce, because if let's say someone is sick or someone has an injury, you could then aggravate or you could then increase the rate, the injury itself, badala ya kumsaidia kumbe unamuumiza zaidi. And so that's why we brought about these vehicles, which are wheelchair accessible vehicles that allow persons with disabilities or reduced mobilities to commute comfortably at the comfort of their assistive devices.
Hata kabla tujaingia labda kuona gari yenyewe vile hivi, what motivated you to come up with such an initiative? Because today in this showroom you are unique. You've brought yourself as a unique personnel, because for years now people with disability are now walitengwa, lakini sasa kama unafufua, ni nini imekumotivate?
So when I was 6 years old, my dad got into an accident and he became paraplegic and now uses a wheelchair. And so that's where the whole purpose came from. Seeing my dad struggle, alipoteza kazi juu there was no transport system from home to work and back. And so being personally impacted by this particular challenge, I decided to start working on it. Then also became an Uber driver, a Bolt driver. I even wrote for ride-hailing apps. And then the same problem since occurred. When people are requested for this service, they would still need an extra bit of support, which was not offered by the drivers or by the other ride-hailing apps. And so that's why I decided to come up with Ace Mobility, bringing in accessible vehicles and also train the drivers on how this vulnerable group of people need to be served. And we just educate even our drivers on how to serve them, what they need, how to do it, and so that these particular people get to participate in the society. Someone is able to participate socially, someone is able to participate economically, and more so even politically for those with political ambition. But imagine just lacking even a transport solution. That will limit someone to go to work. That limits someone to even partake in politics if they are willing to become political, or even social, even partake in social places. We as human are social beings, and so ukitolewa hiyo aspect you're unable to move from one place to the other, that really demotivates you. And so that's why we built Ace Mobility, to give people with reduced mobilities a voice and an opportunity to show up and be seen.